Ever wonder what Tesla has planned for the upcoming year? Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has many goals for the business, both immediate and long term. Tesla is renowned for its endlessly creative ventures and concepts. To learn more about this, be sure to keep watching and tuning in. Due to its controversial leader, Tesla is definitely losing a lot of supporters, but a lot more people still have faith in the firm and its prospects. And they don't let you down. That's just Tesla. They have so many projects and items planned that reservations are ringing off the hook on their phones. According to Cathie Wood, you will learn about Tesla's plans for 2023 today. The optimism Cathie Wood has for Tesla is not new. Tesla is one of Wood's top holdings. Wood is the manager of ARK Invest funds, which include the ARK Innovation ETF. Words like disruptive, innovator, and convergence tend to come up whenever the investment philosophy of Cathie Wood's phenomenally successful ARK Invest asset management fund is discussed. Furthermore, one may argue that these concepts connect to Tesla. Actually, Elon Musk's Tesla business is receiving a lot of support from Cathie Wood-led ARK Invest. In fact, this stock accounts for a whole 10% of the fund's value. This should come as no surprise. When it comes to investing principles, Tesla meets a number of Cathie Wood's requirements. In fact, Cathie's involvement in the form of an open letter to Elon Musk in 2018 kept Musk from repurchasing Tesla stock and reinstating the business as private. The letter proved to be something of a phenomenon. Within, Cathie Wood presented a 5-year bull case for Tesla shares, projecting a price of up to $4,000 in 2023. In his early stock repurchase plan, Musk was content to pay just $420 for each share at the time. If you look at the sales growth over the last 5 years, it has compounded at a rate of about 48% annually, and you may remember that during a period of significant controversy surrounding Tesla. Our prediction, depending on whether you take our bull or bear case, is between 50 and 60% over the next 10 years, and for a few other reasons, claims Cathie Wood. Wood lists 4 entrance hurdles that appear to have increased in Tesla's advantage. Battery technology comes first. With the exception of a few in China, Wood claimed that Tesla is the only automaker that has chosen to ride the consumer electronics industry's cost curve. This is because laptop and slash or cell phone batteries need to be changed. According to Wood, when Tesla made that decision, automakers and analysts ridiculed the business because of well-publicized battery blowups on airplanes that led to the banning of that particular type of battery. Because of this, even though its current cost is lower, its battery pack system is still substantially less expensive than that of other automakers. According to Wood, the other manufacturers will lose money on their electric vehicles, while their gas-powered vehicles will fail if they try to compete with Tesla. Less power or range will be the alternative, which is why there are numerous variations around it. According to Wood, Tesla's battery technology is still 3 to 4 years ahead of rival automakers' cost reductions that have opted to utilize lithium-ion pouch technology instead of Tesla's cylindrical batteries. According to Wood, Tesla's own chip is the second barrier to entry and the most important one in terms of growth and valuation. According to Wood, Tesla is the only automaker that has created its own semiconductor. The others lacked the vision, their own chip, and the ability to follow. Wood claimed that Tesla is studying Apple's business practices. If you recall, Apple was the upstart back then, she said. In the mobile phone market, the winners were Ericsson, Motorola, and Nokia. She clarified that Tesla was the startup, and that its creator, Steve Jobs, had the vision that it would become more than just a phone, in other words, a computer in your pocket, and he succeeded in doing so. I'll never get over how happy I was to be able to use my phone to surf the internet. Wood remarks, I just thought this was revolutionary. She thinks that Tesla is starting something groundbreaking. According to Wood, Tesla is the only company using artificial intelligence chips, which are all about autonomy and represent another barrier to entry. Wood claimed that their analyst James Wong, who spent 8 years working at the artificial intelligence giant NVIDIA, was astounded by the specifications of Tesla's semiconductor. According to Wong, Tesla is 4 years ahead of all other automakers in terms of available semiconductor technology specs. This is critical to Tesla's objective of using electric vehicles to become autonomous. Artificial intelligence initiatives are directly related to being autonomous, and the winner will have the most and the best quality data. The nearest rival, Waymo, only has 20 million real-world driving miles compared to 14 billion for Tesla. Lastly, Tesla has an advantage over other businesses because it is the only vehicle manufacturer that still produces more than the Air software upgrades to adjust functionality. What is your forecast for the performance of Tesla stock in the upcoming months and years? Please leave your comments in the space provided below. The fact that Tesla has amassed billions and billions of kilometers of actual driving data presents the next obstacle to entry. More corner cases than any other firm exist for Tesla to train its systems, according to Andrew Carpathy, the company's AI director at the time. Wood claimed that since Tesla already has over 1 million robots, including her Model 3, roaming the streets, gathering data, and reporting it back every day, other competing businesses will never be able to catch up. Over-the-air software updates are another barrier to entrance, according to Cathie Wood, who claims that she was unaware of them. Wood revealed that since receiving her Model 3 in 2018, she has never needed to have a problem with it fixed. It appears that Tesla has identified and fixed any issues she may have had before she even notices or feels them. The only issue I've encountered is that she has a nail in her tire, which naturally cannot be fixed by software. However, that was all, Wood adds. According to Wood, it was these entrance hurdles that gave Tesla the advantage. In 5 years, their base case will increase from approximately $800 to $3,000. What we're seeing now is Tesla able to scale EV manufacturing in a way that no one else, maybe BYD in China, can, and that has increased our confidence in that. Tesla had to overcome a significant learning curve to get there, and no one else is doing this at the moment, says Wood. According to Wood, most other automakers will not be able to match or surpass Tesla's combination unless they wish to incur losses on their vehicles. Wood stressed how crucial that is from both a performance and a range perspective. When asked what she thought about big businesses trying to compete with Tesla in the development of electric vehicles, Wood said they are failing miserably. This manufacturing process differs from that of conventional vehicles. The game is very different. In the past, we had predicted that Tesla will capture 25% of the market for electric vehicles within the next 5 years. We now predict that in 5 years, electric vehicles will account for over half of all automobiles sold, with Tesla capturing 25% of the market. A number of investors have expressed curiosity about what ARK Invest analysts see in Tesla that justifies their high level of optimism regarding the company's future prospects. First off, when Wood made the well-known declaration that the company was a value stock, it was clear that the renowned investor was being serious, and that his statement had neither irony nor even braggadocio. Furthermore, the fund's convergence principle explains this study. Tesla is a firm that combines several technology industries and platforms into a one entity, rather than just being an EV play. It's a robotics firm, an energy storage expert, a software developer for artificial intelligence, and it even has its own glass technology group. Its deep value and enviable position in the market are a result of its plurality. Tesla is also a disruptor in the transportation industry. Once more, this is from out of Cathie Wood's script. ARK looks for trailblazers and those who are revolutionizing their industries. Tesla may not be the only electric vehicle company in the area. In fact, there is fierce rivalry from what seems like everywhere. However, it is the only one in the lead group and setting the pace for its competitors. For more of this kind of stuff, check out Tesla stock and our other films.